lot of money cuts or not have a car on the engine.
Yeah. Okay, sure. I'll be right there, okay?
All right, folks. How's that look? Am I in the video there? Is my head cut off or anything?
I can see you. I can see an orange wall.
Is this fine?
Okay. I'm just trying to make sure we cover all this. Anyway, did the car. First place, second place, and third place. Now, y'all did a good job, that's all I can say. You got, start out with, what is it, third place? That's how we should start?
Yes.
Okay, group meeting, we have folks who did the car judging, clean, looks good, didn't show up with any big dents, big rust holes in it, anything like that, right? All pretty good shape. So,
I got the car, it was beaten up like that.
as a rule, we're going to start out with third place. And let's see, who with the score of 31, we had a license plate number of 6. Or is that G? I can't even read that.
Probably a G.
It says Victor on it. Third place goes to Victor. Who's victorious? There we go. All right. Spend that wisely.
Are there any ties? There were ties, right?
There are ties, and I broke them. So if you have anything to complain about, come to me, and I'll tell you exactly where to go to file your complaint. Does that help?
Yeah.
Anyway, all decisions are final, as they say, right? The judge, you got to thank the judge. Thank the judge for flying all the way out to Canada.
Just to do this.
Yes.
Wow.
I'm going to make it even harder on him next year. Let's see, second place. I think I know who this is. Is there a Keaton here? Hey, Keaton! You got second place last year, weren't you? Wow. Repeat offender. All right.
At least it's not going down.
Oh my gosh. I don't know. I think we should donate this money to charity. I think we should too. What do you say? Well, first place, I don't know.
I think we should shred it.
Okay, first place goes to the St. Louis Cardinals.
Yeah.
Jan,
All right.
you got to take a gas to get you back home, buddy.
All right.
Oh, now.
Last year.
No, I didn't really not do
You got to show up all flat.
I'm like, well, maybe he didn't see mine because it had so much promo.
You know what? I don't care what my
How do you
look
play
like.
for
I'm
that?
enjoying it.
Now, we have the prizes. First one we're going to give away is the Solar BA7. And this is the battery condition tester and also your charging system tester. So this thing serves two purposes. And we're going to go ahead and give that away. And I'm going to have Maria draw a card. Maria, draw a card. Any card.
Oh, wait.
Who has number 8 of spades?
Hey.
This happened last year too.
Yeah, he got 2 this last year.
No, someone
somebody else
got the same thing.
Somebody else.
Oh, wait, no, wait, Jan never won last year. No, it wasn't only one.
8 of spades.
Oh, that's because you.
Okay, Maria, draw again.
No, it was somebody last year too.
3 of spades.
Hey!
Yay! You got a great battery conditioner.
So that's like a battery tender?
It's a battery conditioner and charger. And last but not least, for he or she who needs to create all sorts of holes and tighten up bolts, this will not do lug nuts. Okay, I'll try it. It ain't gonna do lug nuts. But it does
Sort of
come in
like a
handy.
home inside the house.
Yeah, but it also works on the car for all those little 6, 8, and 10 millimeter things. When you're working on your intake, makes taking the bolts out faster. So this definitely works good. We're going to take and see what that. So good thing you're not drawing for this one. You turned your card in already. One more, Maria.
I can take your prize back.
What the heck?
Well, if you just take some away.
Hey.
2 of spades.
Oh.
Ethan, man, you talk about double whammy. Sorry, folks, that's all I got.
Oh, wait, that was for me. Am I supposed to applaud for me?
Ethan, there you go.
Talk about a double whammy.
Does that signal welcome?
I do want to, let you all know that all this stuff that I bought, the cards, everything is from you guys working hard by doing one thing for me. That is participating in the group, but the best thing you're doing is by watching the videos. Because my YouTube channel paid for all this, okay? It paid for the canopy, it paid for everything I'm doing. Money in that pays for this. So I took all the money I make in a month and I went and bought all this stuff. I'm not getting rich off of it, but the more videos that you guys watch, even if you watched it before, let it play through. That helps me in advertising. It really does, and that's the only payback I get. That's why I'm stopping the oil videos, because nobody's watching. 200 views and 50 cents later, ain't gonna cut it. Okay, it cost me $50 a video to make an oil testing video. So making a buck off of the video ain't gonna sustain my channel. So that's why I'm ending all that. But that is what I do. So watch the videos. I'm telling you all out there, watch the videos. That's how you can help support this to keep this going. We are going to do the 4th annual one, and some of you may not like it, some of you may, but the 4th annual one will happen around late July, August time frame, and it will be on the East Coast. And Mano will be in the area.
What do you mean by East Coast?
We're talking all the way over. We're talking in Mano lives around Baltimore area, probably outside of Baltimore, but it'll be somewhere over in the East Coast. I'm not sure exactly. Mano's going to help me find a location. And we're going to find a location to have it, and we're going to have a whole crew over there. So I'm just trying to spread myself out to meet other members, and that's how it is. And then the following year I'll probably come back in. So I want to just move around a little bit, so folks. And I can meet them too, because I like to meet all of you, and it's fair to go out there and things. So I'm going to go out to the East Coast, and we're going to have it in July, August. I'll put the time and the place up as soon as I get it solidified in that manner. And then we'll probably come back here the following year and go from there. Now, the other thing is I know I put it out that I wanted to, do I floor Lou until she blows up when she starts losing the water pump, or do I fix her? Well, I think it's probably better to fix her, so I'm going to replace the water pump when she hits up 300,000, and I may not be able to do the video myself. Okay, there's certain things health-wise that are not going to allow me to do it, so I'll have to probably pay to do it, or find somebody to do it for me that I know. But I am going to get it done one way or another. So, but certain things, sometimes life throws you a curveball, so you got to deal with it. What? 291. Yeah. So at 300,000, I'm going to find it. I may do it at a dealership. I may do it in a garage. I may ask to see if somebody around me will help me do it, which would be fine. But I will replace the water pump because I want to see how far can a Duratec go with proper maintenance. Makes sense, right? I mean, so I'm going to put the water pump in there, new chains, new guides, all that good stuff, and let's see how far she goes. I know she's using about a quart of oil every 10,000 miles or so, but yeah, that's not abnormal, sure. So most cars do use some, and others more than others, right? If I was driving a Coyote, I'd be using a quart of oil about every 2,000 yards. But anyway, that's it, folks. I hope that you all used whatever you got today, and of course, you all have a good time. I know it ain't, bells and whistles and everything else. We got to meet each other. Now we can get down to the brass tacks, start eating some salad, pizza, and whatever else that was their service. What is that other thing? That pasta thing? And I want to thank everybody that did show up, because God bless you all, and I appreciate everything you got to do for me. And I do also want to make sure you all have a safe drive home, and make them home safely and everything for the distance you go, except for the Canadians. I told him to take a long walk on Pier 1 out there in Chicago at night. Not sure how it's going to work. But anyway, I do thank Stephen for coming all the way out from Camden. He was in Washington, right?
Yeah, he was
Yeah, he went out there. I heard he was hunting down Charity, but she got away.
Henry.
So anyway, thanks for joining us, folks. Thanks you on YouTube for everything you do and participate. Just remember, I might be at the floor today. I'm having a great day, and I want you all to have a great day too. And remember, like, subscribe, and all that good stuff, right? You're all subscribers, right? Don't put a hand up so you're not. Okay, thanks guys, and we'll post this up on YouTube. Have a great day.
Oh, you forgot to say.
Good day,
Oh, you want me to say that?
Yeah. I don't forget anything.
All right, I forgot. I'm back. Hey guys, like I said, both my feet hit the floor today. I'm having a great day. I want you to have a great day too. Don't forget Band of Ones, great music. That's right. T-shirts and all that good stuff. And also, Mercy Girl's got a couple one-liners for you. Am I good to go? Antonio's good? All right, thanks. Bye.
There you go.
We won't put you in the